people that we're going to spend all this money to go on these elaborate vacations to Europe and whatnot with COVID and stuff, and they had nowhere to go, so they all buy boats.
Makes sense.
Makes sense. Right, so basically when you get ready to leave and go somewhere else, you usually plan our time according to our tides, look at our tide charts, and then plan our course, figure out how long it's going to take us to get from point A to point B. Get ourselves prepared and ready. I do the line. Yeah, dog's got to go potty, and then I get all the lines ready, and I do them out in whatever order it needs to be so that we get out safely. And now we are on our way and heading to our new destination, and we're gonna do some filming of what all happens when a boat gets pulled out. So
It always makes me nervous.
everything should go just wonderful. They are hand bringing it in. A lot of work goes into this.
Not if it doesn't need it. How does it look?
I mean, it looks pretty good to me. I was just wondering, we'd have to press wash.
Yeah, I don't think so.
What do you got to get done?
Fiberglass repair on the front where my anchor knocked a hole, and that's about it. A little bit of fiberglass on the back. Don't let me stop it. I don't mind getting wet. Yeah, that stuff grows on there pretty quick.